Assalamu alaikum and good morning and welcome you all guys in the lecture of the series of the research subject. In the yesterday lecture we learned the research design and the different two broad categories of the research design. The one category of the research design is called the observational study design and the second one is called the experimental study design. In the observational study design, the researcher or the scientists do not involve any activity or any intervention or any drugs trial. While in the second type of the research design is called the experimental study design, in which the researcher involve or perform activity or any intervention or any drugs trial. And in the descriptive study design and the observational study design is further divided into two categories. The one is called the descriptive study design and the second one is called the analytical study design. In descriptive study design, the researcher do not prove his research question and hypothesis. While in the analytical study design, under the umbrella of the observational study design, which is conducted in the natural setting, the researcher prove his hypothesis and the research question. The same thing in the experimental study design, the researcher is always prove his hypothesis and research question, but it is categorized from the analytical study design because in the experimental study design, the researcher and the scientist prove his hypothesis and research question through an experiment, through an intervention and any drugs trial. Now in all these type of the categories of the research design, the researcher always use the primary data. Now the another type of the research design in which the researcher or the scientist or any public specialist to prove his hypothesis or research question by using the secondary data, means those data which has been published in the different journals, either in the local journals or in the index journal, international index journals. It has again two types. The one is called the systematic review and the second one is called the meta-analysis. In the systematic review, the researcher review all the journals which has been published in a particular time period, and he is reviews and come up with some conclusion. While the other type of the secondary data analysis is called the meta-analysis. In the meta-analysis, the researcher or the public health specialist review all the articles which has been published in the particular time period for the specific topic which has been selected for by the researcher. He come up with the mean result of that particular published journal with the published journals with the particular specific topic. Thank you so much. I hope in the today lecture session this is all the diagrammatic structure or all the types of the research design, how you will go to conduct the research study design to prove your research question and hypothesis by using the different type of the research design. I request you all in the last, so watch my video lecture. It is very informative to enhance your knowledge and grip in the research subject, and communicate to your friends, your colleague and your classmate and your students just to watch my video lecture and subscribe my YouTube channel. And the last, I request you all press the bell button. By pressing the bell button, you will get my new lecture as soon as I upload on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.